You tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
story of Jolly LLB and I will correct the mistakes. So you stop after every sentence.
Yeah, they together fight if coming any cases.
So instead of that, you should say they work together on every case that is given to them.
One poor lady is coming for his case. His husband is dead.
One lady is
So
coming is
okay, ma'am.
wrong. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Here I am Vijay Tiwari. I am basically from a village area, but for my study purpose, I stay at Bhopal and currently pursuing my bachelor's of technology in information technology. So right now I'm in my final year and also looking for a job. In previous 4 months, I have also started my English journey to improve my communication skill by using one best application that is support me to improve our communication skill and also gain confidence and speak without hesitation. So that's all about me.
Okay. You are from Bihar.
No, ma'am, I am from village area, but
Okay.
means I am from Chhatarpur,
You are
but
from
staying at
Chhatarpur
Bhopal.
village area, but right now you are putting up in Bhopal.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. How did you like Bhopal?
Yeah, means it is good, right? Means I also not visited whole Bhopal because for my study purpose I just stay my home means my room. So I just go college to home and room to college. But I spent here 3 years. It's my final year in Bhopal, but I not visited whole Bhopal. I'm just visit once and two.
You are in
That's
final
all.
year of?
Yeah, B Tech.
Okay. You are in BTech final year. Are you doing
Yes,
electronics
ma'am.
engineering?
No, I'm IT.
IT. Okay. So you are improving your English so that you can crack interviews and get a good job, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, right.
Okay. If there is a doubt and you want to ask the teacher, do you face problems when you speak English in class?
Yeah, no means I think I'm not facing because I speak what I'm knowing. Even any judges what they are judge means either it is speaking wrong or right. I'm just speaking and asking my question in my way.
Tell me something about your village. Does anyone speak English
Yeah,
in your
means
village?
Yeah, means I think even as of now, I think no one can speak. Yeah, but some of the student or some of the people who are working in company or like any government job, so they are speaking. But as of in my thinking or in my ages of my childhood friends, or I think they are not speaking
Mhm.
English.
Why do you want to improve your English?
Yeah, means because ma'am, when I'm in my childhood and I'm in my school, so at that time all the teachers and all are saying to speak in English. But at that time I don't know what the importance of our English. But when I joining my BTech institution, so at that time even in first year, second year, and third year, I also don't speak English. But when the time is our life and working as of a company, right? So at that time, I knowing the English is important for our life. If you are knowing English and you are speaking well, so you can survive anywhere in the world, right? So as my friend is suggesting one application, the application name is Peer Up application.
Okay.
So in that application, all of the world means even Pakistan, Bangladesh, and all of the world is
Mhm.
using application, and we will connect each other.
Okay. How long have you been learning English?
That's before 4 months.
4 months. And for 4 months, you have
Yes,
been using Peer Up application.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. With the help of this application, you have improved.
Yeah, means I think before using this application, I'm not able to speak like that. Means I can understand what the people are saying, but I am not able to speak.
Before
So
using
by
this
using this
application, you were
application,
not able to speak like this. You were able to understand, but
yeah,
you could not speak well,
yes.
right? Hmm.
Yeah, means now I'm able to convey my message, and yeah, even I also know I make some grammatical mistake and vocabulary is also not strong. But yeah, as of now, I'm practicing more and also improve it.
Okay. On Peer Up application, is it a free application?
Yes, ma'am. It is a free application, but there are some charge for premium. If you take premium membership of this app. So you just option to means connect male, female, or working profession like this.
So if someone doesn't take the paid subscription, for how long can he talk on peer up application?
No, yeah, it is unlimited time.
Okay. Even when you don't take the
Yes,
paid
ma'am.
subscription, the time is unlimited.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So have you made any friends
Yes.
on peer up application?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I have made approx 30 to 35 friends. They will
30 to 35
connect
friends
me.
in just 4 months
Yeah.
on peer up
Yes, ma'am.
application. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So people from which countries connect on this app?
Yeah, means some of the people means like most of the people from Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Right, but some of the means in MP, UP like that.
So you speak to these people on audio calls or video calls?
That means there is option only for audio call. There is no any option to provide video
Okay.
call.
Okay. So is this your first video conversation?
No, ma'am. If before you, I have also conversed with 5 YouTubers. It is very famous. Means one is two is male teacher, and another is means like you, ma'am. So I will communicate more than five.
You wanted to have a conversation with me. Do you want to ask any questions? Mhm.
No, ma'am, I'm just asking that means as of now our conversation you have seen what I am making wrong. So just guide me and how I improve to English.
Okay. So tell me any movie that you watched recently.
Recently I watched Kantara movie.
Which movie? I didn't understand the name.
Kantara South movie.
South movie. No, I don't.
Kantara.
Have you watched any English or Hindi movie?
Yeah, I not watch English, but I watch Hindi movie. Means like previous day I watched Jolly
Jolly LLB.
LLB 3.
Okay. You tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
story of Jolly LLB and I will correct the mistakes. So you stop after every sentence. You tell me the story. Like you can tell me the summary of the movie.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So means in this movie I have watched. So there are two casts. One is means Akshay Kumar, and second is I don't know his name, right? But so these two are not higher graduate. So these they together fighting for any case. Yeah, they together fight if coming any cases, right?
Okay. So instead of that, you should say they work together on every case that is given to them. They work together on every case that is given to them. Now speak the next sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, means next sentence is this means one poor lady is coming for his case. His husband is dead for any family reason.
One lady is
So
coming is
okay,
wrong.
ma'am.
One lady comes to the police station. Her husband is dead. One lady comes to the police station. Her husband is dead. Then
Yeah, means then Akshay Kumar and second Jolly is not registering his her case.
with two
Okay.
people you can't put is. Akshay Kumar and Jolly are not interested in her case. You said is not interested. There are two people. With plural we have to use are. Now repeat the sentence.
Yeah, means Akshay Kumar and second is Jolly. Is register her case, right,
They
ma'am?
register. They register her case.
Yeah, they register her case, and both of they are fighting for her case for the
Both
for
of
against
them.
the
Both
party
of them handle the case. Both of they are fighting the case. Nahi, both of them handle the case. Both of them
against
handle the case. ये
handle
लाइन आप
the
पूरी बोल
case.
के बताइए. Both of them handle the case.
Yeah, yeah. Both of them handle the case,
True.
and yes, ma'am. And in the last, they both Jolly and Akshay Kumar is handle the casing, and in the last Jolly is means what I'm saying. Yeah, means he is injured by the fire in the last.
You explain in Hindi, I will translate it to English.
Yeah, in the last में वन जॉली वो बुलेट से चोटिल हो जाता है और लास्ट में फिर आके वो केस को जिता ले जाता है.
आखिरी में जो जॉली होता है उसको गोली लग जाती है, राइट? उसको चोट लग
यस
जाती है।
मैम.
और उसके बाद
यस
क्या
मैम.
बोला आपने?
उसके बाद फिर वो सब सबूतों से फिर वो उस लेडी को केस में जिता जिता
Okay,
देता
okay.
है अगेंस्ट
So
पार्टी के खिलाफ.
in the end, Jolly gets injured, and finally the lady wins the case. In the end, Jolly gets injured, but they finally win the case. The lady wins the case, right? So
ओके
that was
मैम.
the story. Did you enjoy this movie?
Yes, ma'am. I have enjoyed this movie because in the starting they together are fighting for
They
each
fight
case.
in the starting, they
They
fought together. In the starting, they
yeah, they
fought
fought
together.
together. Yes, yeah, they fought together because Akshay Kumar is means lazy or means पैसों के लिए लालची था वो.
Okay. So Akshay Kumar
इसके
was
लिए
quite lazy and very, very greedy
yeah.
for money.
Yes, greedy for money.
Mhm.
But on the other side, Jolly one, he is means even he is a little bit lazy and greedy for money. But
Okay.
as compared to yes, ma'am.
On the other hand, Jolly was less lazy and less greedy than Akshay Kumar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
But at the end of the movie, they together get friendship and win the case.
Okay. They finally won the case. They handled the case together and they won it. Tell me, what did you like in this movie?
Yeah, I like one thing that means who people are means rich, right? So every person or every advocate, they all are supporting these men because he is rich. But on the other hand, if any poor people came to register any case or any kind of help, so no one can help her because he is poor, right? So what some person are having these those who are understand his feeling and means if you are working for any poor person or any type of support, so we will together make help. This
Okay.
thing I will happen.
You mean to say that inspectors in police station, they file complaints of only rich people, but they don't help the poor people.
Yes.
But Akshay Kumar and Jolly LLB, they helped a poor woman and took her case and finally made
Yes,
her
ma'am.
win the case. That lady was
Yes,
poor,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is what you liked in the movie, that they helped a poor person.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So, did you go to the movie alone or you went with friends?
No, ma'am. I watch alone
Okay, you went alone.
on my laptop.
Okay, you watched it on your laptop, not in a theater.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
was the last movie that you watched in a cinema hall?
In cinema hall, ma'am, I think when I'm in my school time, so I have watched Manikarnika.
Manikarnika. Okay, that was the last movie
Yes,
you
ma'am.
watched in the cinema hall. Mhm.
No, ma'am. When I'm in my school, so my school teacher is going on cinema hall, right? For all the student. So they are just charging only few amount. So this was the first time when I visit cinema hall.
So don't say when I am in my school. That was past.
Okay.
You are now in college. So you should say when I was in school, they used to charge some amount and they used to take us to
Okay,
cinema
ma'am.
halls. Okay, you never went to
Okay, okay.
cinema hall with your parents.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay, you
not
only
went
went there
anything.
with school, with school
Yes, ma'am.
teachers. Okay, okay. Hmm. So you liked Manikarnika? That was the story of Jhansi Ki Rani.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And the actress was Kangana Ranaut, right?
Kangna Ranaut, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, about, can I know about yourself?
Yes. You want me to introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Meenu Puri. I am from Delhi. I have been running my YouTube channel for 4 years now. I hold an MCA degree. So I previously worked as a software developer. And I I am a proud mother of two beautiful children. And I love gardening, listening to music, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay. So, ma'am, can I know about your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is Meenu English Speaking. Where did you get to know
Okay.
about me?
I means I think I have watched some short
Okay.
on YouTube.
On Instagram.
So
Okay.
I just
On
found.
YouTube
Yes,
channel.
ma'am.
Mhm.
Yeah. That
I thought
means
you. Yes,
even
yes.
I have also started my YouTube channel before 1 month ago, but
Okay.
I have no enough time to manage it and uploading video. Right.
Mhm.
So I'm just stop it now. But yeah, in future I will start it.
You can make a few videos that will, help you overcome your hesitation and nervousness, because facing the
Okay.
camera is also like facing people. So that's very effective. Many people, when they make YouTube videos, they become more confident. So it will help
Yes,
you
ma'am.
build your confidence. Yes. Anything
Okay,
else
ma'am.
that you want to talk about, or anything that you want to ask me?
No, I think I will ask, and
Okay.
anything means that. So it is nice conversation with you.
It was great talking to
So
you. All the best from my side. I hope you become more fluent
thank
with
you,
time. And
thank you,
yeah,
ma'am.
just keep practicing and happy learning.
Thank you, ma'am.